Ndewonu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you some words of insults. I'm not encouraging you to insult people, but these are words you have to know. Atoro. Atoro means that the person doesn't have a mind of his or her own. Ewu. Ewu is a goat, obnoxious. Amusu, witch or wizard. Amuchu, amusu, a witch or a wizard. Itiboribo, somebody who can't pass exam, who doesn't know anything about education. Nketa misbehaves with boys or girls. Nketa. Ezi. Ezi depicts death. Dirty pig. Iwezi. Ozu. Ozu is a corpse, dead body, something useless. Ezure. You don't brush your teeth. Look at you, rotten teeth. That is Ezeure. Onishi. Get out. You smell. Your mouth smells. Onishi. Anohia or anofia. That means wild animal. Onyoshi or onyori. A thief. Onyoshi or onyori. A thief. A beast. Onyenzuzu. Stupid person. Onyenzuzu. Stupid person. Nto, meh. Good for you. I wouldn't apologize. Yes, I did it. I won't tell you sorry. Nto, meh. Onyojo, bad person. Onyojo, bad person. You are very wicked. Get out. Ijoronjo. You are ugly. You think you are fine. You are very ugly. Ijoronjo. Or Chaka Maka. Don't think because you are fair, you are fine. You are very fair. You are fair and ugly. Or Chaka Maka. Mbi. He goat that smells. He won't be. You are an mbi. Mbeke, village girl with no fashion sense. Look at you. You think you know fashion. Awo. Lazy fool. Awo. That is toad. Lazy, can't run, can't jump. Onyojo, a coward. Look at you, you're a coward. You onyojo. Onyojo, a coward. Ofeke, useless person. Useless man. Ofeke. Ofenkupu, irrelevant person. Ofenkupu, irrelevant person. Agbara or more spirit. You look like Agbara. Agbara. Otorobagi, suffer diarrhea. May you suffer diarrhea. Otorobagi. Rigbuo onwe gị. You will not have this food. Rigbuo onwe gị. You will not have this food. Anya pịa gị. Go blind. I don't care. Anya pịa gị. Go blind. Onye ogbu, jealous person. Onye ogbu, jealous person. Asịrịgbakute, a gossip. Asịrịgbakute, a gossip. Boy, errand boy, errand girl. Look at you, you're not ashamed. You're just boy to him. You're boy to her. Mbe. Mbe means tortoise. A very cunning person. Iwu mbe. You are mbe. Ishiaku. Big head. Ishiaku. Ototafo. Big stomach. Gasaho. Go and take your bath. Gasaho. You are smelling. Go and take your bath. Ineshi. You smell. Get out of here. You want to talk to me? You smell. Onyirom. My enemy. You are my enemy. Get out. You Onyirom. Anyoku. Greedy person. You are only Anyoku. Anyoku. Greedy person. Bafue or Bafue. Get lost. Bafue. Get lost. Oba mamiri. Bedwetter. Oba mamiri. Bedwetter. Onyosa, akpiri ogologo, indisciplined appetite. You eat everything you see you want to eat. You onyosa, akpiri ogologo. Mechie ọnụ. Shut up. Shut your mouth. Mechie ọnụ. onye aghụghọ, deceitful, onye aghụghọ, deceitful, ọbanshi, ọbanshi, one who pulls on himself, ugwumagala, that is chameleon, one who cannot be trusted, ugwumagala, ugwumagala, mirimiri n'ihu gwompiti n'azụ, traitor, bad friend, you say something else in my presence, you say something else behind my back. Mmirinshi, toilet water, you are just mmirinshi, toilet water. Agadi ekwenka, agadi ekwenka, grown person acting like a youth. Onyento, kidnapper. You want to kidnap me, onyento. Onyento kewo kidnapper. Omempo, criminal. Omempo, criminal. Onye iberibe, imbecile. Onye iberibe, amaghị ihe. Onye amaghị ihe, imbecile. Agadi na-agwọ ofe. Agadi na-agwọ ofe. Adult that never speaks truth. Ababa alo alo. Noise maker. Talk without action. Blah, blah, blah. Ababa alo alo. That's what you are. Udele. Udele means vulture. It's a scavenger. You are a scavenger. Udele. Udele. Ahụhụ is an ant. You are too small for me. I can't talk to you. Get out of here. Ewa ahụhụ. Ewa ahụhụ. Aleka. Look at you. No strength as if you can fight. Aleka. Ewa aleka. Onye ama. Onye nra. A snitch. Onye asị. Liar. Onye asị. Liar. Onye asị. Hater. Onye asị. Hater. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.